How to fix if your Google search history is also showing on other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Google search history is also showing up on other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now do not worry, this is a common thing that Google does so that you can have ease of access no matter wherever you're using on your mobile or your laptop or computer, wherever else. This usually happens if you're using the same Google account across all devices. So if you have the same Google account on your laptop or on your mobile, that is also going to be one of the factors, but that is not also the only factor, because there is also another factor or variable over here, and that is called sync. So even if you have the same Google account, but if you have disabled sync, then none of the things are going to get synced from one device to another. It's going to remain in that same device. But if you have turned on sync, it is going to show across all devices. So to turn this thing off, open up your Google browser and then just click the three dots option and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings over here, you can see syncing is actually enabled for this email. So no matter wherever I log into this email, sync will get enabled. So to turn it off, just click the turn off option, and then right over here you can just click the turn off option, and you can also choose to clear the bookmarks, history and password more from this device, and then sync will get successfully turned off and your history will not be shown on other devices. This way you'll be able to fix if your Google search history is also showing up on other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.